close.
Reason one, you're probably sitting right now binge watching YouTube or doing stuff on your computer for way too long that you should, and you end up with a crooked back. Your back hurts, you can't sleep, you're cranky, your life falls apart because you binge watch too many YouTube videos. At least get up from your chair, straighten your back, and just breathe in. That feels good, right? And it's 10 times better when you do it in nature. I can't show it. Okay. Reason two, the algorithms that are serving you content, they're trying to make you more and more active on their platform. So they're serving the content you already liked in order to make you consume more. And you consume more and more and more, and it never stops. The algorithms only get a reward if you watch more of the videos, and they get a penalty when you leave the platform or exit out of the video. So be aware of that. The companies that you love so much, you love to use their content, they're trying to get more and more of your time. They're never slowing down. They don't care that you only have 24 hours in a day, that everybody has 24 hours in a day. They want all of those 24 hours. They don't care about your health, they don't care about your wealth, they don't care about anything about you. So be mindful of that, and once in a while just recognize that you had too much. Stop it and enjoy something. I recommend nature. It's nice to be out. It's nice to breathe in fresh air, as I said. On to the third reason that you need to get up out of your chair and get out. If you're anything like me and you live in the city, the air that you're breathing in, especially during the winter times, if you live on the northern hemisphere, I guess, it can be a bit rough. I'm gonna show you some statistics right now that I took on my phone as I started this hike, walk, I don't know, as I went out of my house. And the air can be hazardous, dangerous to breathe in. So if you get up, like if you go up in altitude, the air is probably clearer, better for breathing, and it's more healthier for you. It will make you more relaxed and it will rest you. So that's it for number 3. Let's go on to number 4. I'm no scientist, but the recent studies link nature to all the best things, and being in green environments such as healing heart disease, helping out with depression, helping out with various disorders, and healing you as a human being. We just like to be in nature, and we seem to be programmed for it. At least for my experience, I feel better in nature. And I think you will too. So pack your bags, or don't pack anything. Just get up and get out of your house, get out of your comfy chair, and I don't know, experience some nature. Enjoy the scenery, enjoy the fresh air. Come on out.